team, for the Silver Generations team, we have Team Vitals Lab. So please give a big round of applause to welcome them.
Hi everyone, can you hear me testing? Testing. I'm Gabriel from Vitals Lab, and what we're doing here, we have an AI health-driven monitoring solution, leveraging deep tech to enhance caregiver support. So our value proposition, our application is for untrained caregivers dissatisfied with health monitoring gaps due to a lack of professional training. Our product provides vital sign monitoring, unlike apps which require a learning curve to use. So we have identified 6 main pain points, and we found it helpful to categorize them in terms of the cause and the consequences. And so in hopes that by solving the cause, we'll also, at the same time, solve some of the consequences pain points that are feeling, such as psychological stress, mental health, deterioration, social isolation. So these are actually very well-researched sources of pain points, and we all know that global population will increase in the next few years. And while government reach for elderly is actually quite high through grassroots activities, the government reach for caregivers are actually quite limited themselves. Just a quick Google search, we can find like there are hundreds, maybe even thousands of these like caregiver apps solving these 3 main causal pain points. And generally speaking, like in order for us to stand out from this app market, we need to focus on our market channel. We need to go beyond a simple app download. So we decided to use social media bots such as Telegram, Facebook, WhatsApp. And the reason for that is because a lot of caregivers are already on these platforms, and they are already communicating through different stakeholders like their relatives and family through these platforms. So utilizing this platform actually makes the interface very intuitive for these caregivers. So our solution must have intuitive design, must have minimal no learning curve, must be instantaneous setup, real-time feedback mechanism, and no tedious data logging. So out of these 3 causal pain points, we decided to focus on the insufficient health literacy. And the reason for that is from scoping review of multiple mobile applications, we found that this, out of the 3 main causal pain points, are the highest rated category. And also there are notably fewer commercial offerings for this part. So in order to achieve the end, we have 3 main features. So this thing called remote photoplethysmography, RPPG, which does vitals monitoring. Also, we also provide summaries of trends and analysis insights, recommendations for caregivers. So RPPG is actually quite a mature, well-researched technology. What it does is it takes a video and analyzes pixel color changes on the skin. So you can take and what it does is it does inferences on these pixel color changes and extracts and infers vital signs from it, like heartbeat rate, blood volume pressure, oxygen levels. It can even go a step further to infer things like stress levels, even sleep cycles. That's possible. The other aspect is the generative AI feature, which focuses on the health tracking and the insights generation and the analysis part. So here's how our features address our must-haves. So RPPG is intuitive. It is minimal learning curve, and there is no tedious data logging involved. Generative AI makes things easy to use and provides real-time feedback. And our go-to-market channel through social media makes onboarding instantaneous. It means there's no learning curve. So this is our user story. In this small video here, what we have is we have an elderly 90-year-old. What she's doing is she's gonna take a video of herself, 5 to 10-second video of her face. And then when she submits this video onto the Telegram bot, the bot will process the data, extract frames from the video, do some inferences, and return the results of the vital signs. So why this is good is because the bot itself can update any chat group that it's a part of related to the family, different stakeholders, the relatives or friends, even in this case, the foreign domestic caregiver. The bot is able to update all of them in real time the analysis of this video inference. So we can see here there are more functionalities. It's able to analyze current results. It's also able to summarize trends over a period of time. It's able to generate a care plan, and it also provides a clinical summary. So if the caregiver visits a doctor with the elderly, you can generate a clinical summary to show the doctor. So this is actually really modular. If you notice, all of these features are done by a singular command sent to the bot. So it actually makes it very modular because features are easily swapped in and out, and we'll be able to iterate easily through different user feedback.
To validate market interest, we introduced a $1 per month per user pricing scheme as a litmus test to look at our perceived value. And we managed to actually engage 5 users who are willing to pay for it, which means to say that they are willing to pay for a prototype like this to actually look at future to look at the pricing strategies and the monetization revenue for future and tier pricing. Okay, so this is a basic financial estimate. Assuming the average caregiver uses 10 prompts per day with 10 seconds of RPPG analysis a day, then the cost is only 5 cents per month. And our revenue potential is 95 cents per month itself. At adopting a 1% market value of SOM in Singapore, we are expecting $136,000 a year. This is our 10 SOM. At serviceable market value, we are looking at 2.23 million Singapore market with adoption rate of 137K. It exponentially increases to 700,000 at APAC market and $1.41 billion at the global level. This is the competitor landscape. We look at all across our competitor with Vitals Lab. We are actually looking at effortless learning curve with user-friendly interfaces that we can see that it's easy to use with minimal effort at all. And this is the team member, myself, and next steps. So in conclusion, what I would say is that our solution empowers family caregivers with easy, no-fuss solutions that even a 90-year-old woman was able to use it with a big smile. And so we are able to actually enable early detection and extend beyond clinic care with no added infrastructure or additional cost of wearables.
Reducing the burdens of caregivers.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Team Vitals Lab.